Welcome to the Nice Cars. If you're ready to relate to your content, e.g., dive into the world of luxury, rev up your car knowledge, or explore the latest automotive trends, hit that subscribe button and join the Nice Cars community. Rev up your engines, car enthusiasts. The iconic Porsche 911 Turbo S has returned with more power, precision, and panache than ever before. Discover how this legendary machine is redefining speed and luxury on the road, and why it's leaving both drivers and competitors in the dust. Get ready to be blown away by the ultimate fusion of performance and elegance, the all-new Porsche 911 Turbo S. Is this car your favorite car? Please share your thoughts in the comment section. In the realm of high performance sports cars, few names resonate with the same authority and reverence as the Porsche 911. Since its debut in 1964, the 911 has become synonymous with precision engineering, timeless design, and exhilarating driving experiences. The latest iteration, the new Porsche 911 Turbo S, is no exception. This vehicle doesn't just follow the storied tradition of its predecessors, it redefines it, setting new standards in performance, luxury, and technology. This essay delves into the remarkable features and advancements of the new Porsche 911 Turbo S, exploring how it continues to lead the pack in the world of supercars. Evolution of an icon, the Porsche 911 has always been a symbol of the perfect blend between form and function. Each generation has built upon the strengths of its predecessors, pushing the boundaries of automotive technology and design. The latest Turbo S variant, part of the 992 series, represents the pinnacle of this evolution. It encapsulates over half a century of engineering excellence and Porsche's relentless pursuit of perfection. From the outside, the new 911 Turbo S maintains the classic silhouette that has made the 911 an icon. Its sleek, aerodynamic lines and aggressive stance are immediately recognizable, yet they have been meticulously refined to enhance performance. The wider body, redesigned air intakes, and adaptive aerodynamics are not just for show. They are essential components that contribute to the car's superior handling and stability at high speeds. Unparalleled performance at the heart of the new Porsche 911 Turbo S lies a 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged flat-six engine, a masterpiece of modern engineering. This powerhouse generates an astounding 640 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque, making it the most powerful 911 turbo ever produced. With this engine, the Turbo S can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.6 seconds, a figure that positions it among the fastest cars in the world. The top speed of 205 miles per hour is equally impressive, allowing drivers to experience the thrill of raw speed. But raw power is just one aspect of the 911 Turbo S's performance. Porsche's engineers have integrated a suite of advanced technologies to ensure that this power is delivered smoothly and efficiently. The 8-speed PDK dual-clutch transmission provides lightning-fast gear changes, while the all-wheel drive system ensures optimal traction under all conditions. The result is a driving experience that is both exhilarating and accessible, whether you're on a racetrack or a winding mountain road. Cutting-edge technology, the new Porsche 911 Turbo S is not just about brute force, it is also a showcase of cutting-edge automotive technology. One of the standout features is the Porsche Active Aerodynamics (PAA) system, which includes active front and rear spoilers that adjust automatically to optimize downforce and reduce drag. This system adapts to different driving conditions, providing the ideal balance between high-speed stability and nimble handling. Another significant advancement is the Porsche Dynamic Chassis Control (PDCC) system. This active anti-roll system minimizes body roll during aggressive cornering, enhancing the car's agility and precision. Combined with rear axle steering, which improves maneuverability at low speeds and stability at high speeds, the 911 Turbo S offers an unparalleled driving experience that is both responsive and confidence-inspiring. The 911 Turbo S also features Porsche's latest infotainment and connectivity systems. The 10.9-inch touchscreen display is the centerpiece of the interior, providing intuitive control over navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. With features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a high-end Bose sound system, the car ensures that drivers stay connected and entertained, even at blistering speeds. Luxurious interior. While the new 911 Turbo S is a technological marvel, it also embodies the luxury and craftsmanship that have become hallmarks of the Porsche brand. The interior is a harmonious blend of traditional materials and modern design elements, high-quality leather, carbon fiber accents, and meticulously crafted details create an environment that is both sophisticated and comfortable. The ergonomically designed seats provide excellent support during spirited driving, while still offering the comfort needed for long journeys. The driver-centric layout of the cockpit ensures that all controls are within easy reach, allowing for a seamless and intuitive driving experience. Ambient lighting and customizable interior options further enhance the sense of luxury, allowing owners to tailor the cabin to their personal tastes. Commitment to sustainability in an era where environmental sustainability is becoming increasingly important, Porsche has taken significant steps to ensure that the new 911 Turbo S meets modern standards for efficiency and emissions. The twin-turbo engine is equipped with advanced features like direct fuel injection and variable turbine geometry, which improve fuel efficiency and reduce CO2 emissions. Additionally, Porsche is investing heavily in sustainable technologies and production processes. The company's commitment to reducing its environmental footprint is evident in the development of its all-electric Taycan model and the use of sustainable materials in its vehicles. While the 911 Turbo S is primarily about performance, it also reflects Porsche's broader commitment to sustainability and innovation in the automotive industry. The driving experience driving the new Porsche 911 Turbo S is an experience that transcends the ordinary. The combination of raw power, cutting-edge technology, and luxurious comfort creates a vehicle that is not just a means of transportation, but a true extension of the driver's desires and aspirations. Whether you're carving through a series of tight corners or cruising down an open highway, the Turbo S delivers a level of engagement and exhilaration that few other cars can match. The precise steering, responsive chassis, and explosive acceleration create a sense of connection and control that is both thrilling and reassuring. Every detail, from the sound of the engine to the feel of the road beneath the tires, is meticulously tuned to provide a driving experience that is both visceral and refined. For those who seek the ultimate in automotive performance and luxury, the 911 Turbo S stands as a testament to what is possible when passion and engineering excellence come together. Conclusion: the new Porsche 911 Turbo S is more than just a car, it is a masterpiece of automotive art. It embodies the spirit of innovation and excellence that has defined the Porsche brand for over 50 years. With its blend of extraordinary performance, cutting-edge technology, luxurious comfort, and commitment to sustainability, the 911 Turbo S sets a new benchmark in the world of high-performance sports cars. As we look to the future, the 911 Turbo S serves as a reminder of what is possible when we push the boundaries of what a car can be. It is a vehicle that not only celebrates the heritage of the Porsche 911 but also reimagines what a supercar can achieve in the modern era. For enthusiasts and collectors alike, the new Porsche 911 Turbo S is a dream come true, offering a driving experience that is nothing short of extraordinary.